What's up, King and Shui here. I want to show you guys how Honeygain is working with JumpTask and being able to maximize your efforts, and why you should go into JumpTask now to see how you can maximize all of your money going into Honeygain, and show you guys the understandings of base coins and altcoins. Let's go. So here is Honeygain. Honeygain, you're able to have passive income effortlessly. It is basically taking your data and selling it to private proxy servers across your country. So let's say America for now. And I have videos on this already, so definitely check them out. They'll be in the description and it'll be linked somewhere on the video. So basically, I'll be going over the base and altcoins and why you should understand them, because one coin can predict the future of another. So generally, we're using our launching pad as Honeygain, and Honeygain is where we can organize all of our money to put it into regular money, and we can have $10-15 over time because we're selling our data. That's cool, but we want to be able to now put it into JumpTask, which is a altcoin in Binance. And when we have this JumpTask, we're able now to earn more just by applying our money to that through Honeygain, which is our launching pad. And we're already logged in. You can be on PC, tablet, phone, whatever. You're basically selling your data to Honeygain, which is now putting out to different servers. So we're logged in already. We want to be able to understand what an altcoin is, and it's the alternation of what a cryptocurrency token is on a blockchain, right? So it's like, it could be mimicking Binance, it could be mimicking Ethereum, but in this case, JumpTask is their image of creating their own speciality throughout their own protocol, right? And then they're just using the base of Binance. So you guys can read into it later down the road. So JumpTask has a partnership with Honeygain, and now you're able to earn 20% more of what you would have if you were just to go with Honeygain. Now, having this ability is so great because now you can take JumpTask, put it to another token, and put it to Ethereum, put it to Avalanche, put it to Solana, whatever you want to do. So the prediction part is where I'm coming to. Is say if Binance is somewhat going down within a 24-hour period, 7 days, or within a month, right? Basically, if it's going down, right? So if it's going down, it's somewhat changing all of what the altcoins are doing on that blockchain. So if all the altcoins on Binance are going up, which means Binance is going down, but if Binance is going up, the altcoins are now going down, right? So it's that understanding of what's going on in the market. So I can show you guys real quick on one website. I want to show all the stuff that I'm going to be using throughout the next video. So definitely subscribe and stay in tune with different videos coming up with notifications. So in this case, I'll show you literally right here. Right now, overall throughout 7 days, BNB, so Binance uses BNB as their multi-chain token, and it's currently going up in the 7 days. That's awesome. But currently right now in the 1 hour period and a 24-hour period is currently going down. Now let's look at JumpTask. JumpTask should be going up. It's not going to be exactly opposite JumpToken. All right, so JumpTask is your wallet, and JumpToken is your type of token. So it interchanges, but it means the same thing. So currently it's going down, right? But then over time, it will change based on what is going on with the base of Binance or the base of Ethereum. Whatever that altcoin is on is going to somewhat go in the opposite direction. So if all the altcoins are going down, the base coins are going up, the base coins are going down, all the altcoins are going up. So eventually this coin will now go back up. Seeing how from this period of the 26th, which was today, and at 12:10 a.m. going throughout now it's 1 p.m. Just further back at that time, if we were to look at the BNB, the BNB would be somewhat going the different direction. So now say we're in this location, we are now mimicking and going the opposite direction. So it's not a full understanding. It's not a complete obvious understanding, but that's how all the coins have been working with the base and the altcoins. Particularly, you want to now diversify. You want to diversify half and half, 60-40, and go into JumpToken and JumpTask wallet, or BNB, which is the Binance blockchain. So that would be like one blockchain. You will go into Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Avalanche, whoever coins you understand and blockchains you understand, definitely study them and understand what's going on, and understand the news too. Because when you going off of the news, say if the creator or a spokesperson is talking about their altcoin and they're predicting it to go up or go down, right? Paying attention to the news is very important, because then you would kind of ride or go against what they are doing to now have your efforts and profits maximized. So paying attention to the news, understanding the base coins and the altcoins, it's basically how you would understand the market and understand each and every coin as it is. I'm looking at the white paper and looking at ICOs as well. And then I can get into all the details in later videos, so definitely subscribe and keep notifications on. But that is the gist of base coins and the JumpToken JumpTask wallet. That is what they are doing, right? So going into JumpTask, I can show you the dashboard, but I'm not gonna be logged in. I'm logged into my phone, and I don't want to show exactly what's going on my phone, so I'm just going to stay logged out for this video. If you guys want me to be logged in, definitely say that in the comments. But this is what it looks like. It will be more vertical and more one page, obviously, on a phone. You guys should know that, so you're on your phones on all the time. And it has a chart right here, and you're able to stake and do offers and games and surveys, and go back to Honeygain, which is right over here. So this is their partnership right here, being able to work together and have a mutual agreement, basically, to my understanding. So that's really it. It's understanding what base coins are doing and altcoins are doing, and using Honeygain as a launching pad. And Honeygain will now be in partnership with JumpToken and JumpTask, and maximizing your efforts and gaining a 20% gain on top of your money. Let me do some add-on clarification to what the charts are looking like generally with BNB and JumpToken / JumpTask. So it does take some time to have each and every coin reflect on each other, so the base coins and the altcoins. So since the BNB was going positive, let's say, so not up and down, I'll say positive, since it was going more positive in the market within a 1-day period, it took the time for JumpToken to respond to that and go under, so it'll go negative, right? So then over time, it's taking its own there's so many variables to take account. You can't just look at the charts and predict off of that. So there's so many more variables to take into account, where the mission of JumpToken, that's why I mentioned the white paper. Go over the white paper and understand who they are, the mission, the whole layout of what JumpToken is, and their tax and their utility. If a cryptocurrency doesn't have utility, there is no real point to get into a cryptocurrency, because it doesn't have utility. Utility is the use of that token, is what it is used for throughout the network, right? And I'll go into that in later videos. So if you need deeper clarification, definitely subscribe and keep up. But I just wanted to hit home on the altcoins and the base coins, where it takes time for it to reflect. It's not going to mimic or copy each other, right? So that's why it's going negative here, because it's responding to BNB. I just want to be more clear on that. And now over time, since it's going down, it will eventually go positive, right? So in this case, it is reflecting and responding to the positivity here. But like I said, it's not mimicking. It's not going to be green because it's red right now. It's going to mimic and look at to the positivity here while it's going red, and then flip that, and that's why it's green here and it's red over here, if you want to just look at straight to the chart. But understanding that there's variables, understanding that there's a time period and a bit of a time lapse, and understanding the white paper of both the altcoins and the base coins that you'd be looking at throughout your cryptocurrency journey. So I just want to clarify for that. And if you guys need deeper knowledge clarification, subscribe and definitely stay tuned with notifications for future videos. So yeah, I just want to clarify on that right there as well. So definitely look into it, study it, and use my code down in the description. And it's possibly on the screen right now, where you can now use Honeygain as a launching pad and be able to now maximize your efforts through my code and using your code for your friends and family. So you guys can now, as a family and as a cohesive group, be able to earn more with your cryptocurrencies. So if you guys are looking to get into cryptocurrencies more, definitely subscribe, and I'll be doing a playlist eventually on this channel and more with CYBE, because CYBE is going into software and hardware. We're going to different crypto games. We're going to every single part of what computer science is at the end of the day. So definitely stay tuned, stay impactful, and stay knowledgeable, because it's very important to keep on learning and keep that brain working. So if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. If you think I skipped anything or any clarification, let me know down in the comments and I will get to it. Thank you for watching, and peace out.